This is going to be the longest steps ever. Oh, we're up there. Oh, we're down there. Must be the highest bit of sea wall as well. Woo. Is it 9 o'clock at night? Taking it dog for a walk on the beach. Must be mad. In search of the sea. Spot the dog. Oh, there it is. He loves it on the beach. Oh. Oh. Woohoo. Oops, I fell in. Waves were crashing up there earlier on. Lighthouse? No, that is out there. Maybe a fishing boat or something. Oh. Beautifully creepy. Oh, leave you with a view of the moon. On the way back tomorrow. Never mind. Right, see you later. More squirrels? No, no more squirrels. She thinks she spotted a squirrel. Where's a squirrel? I'm looking at me saying, huh. Well, walks with doggies all over again. Look at that. Blue sky up there. Believe it or not. Oh, way over there. Oh, way over there. There's one grey bit up there, and it seems to be chucking rain down here. You know, like you do. Get wet through going for a walk. But then again, got my big coat on. Got a big coat on, like, and got tat on. No, I'm not sponsored by them. And then I wish Def, if you want to, yeah, I'll walk around with your gear. And we used to drive your wagon, so I don't see why not. Yeah, good, isn't it? I'm stopping and staring down. That's what I'm walking through. That is my foot. That is my other foot. And if I stand in the wrong bit, there's a bit of stone there actually. If we get this right, oh, yeah. Otherwise, now we're stuck. It goes all the way on there. Yeah, here we go. Over here. Down there. Yeah, good. Yeah. Walking the dogs in the woods, as they say. Good here, isn't it? You go from that to that. Yeah. Apparently this is the local scouts meeting place. They've taken the chopped down trees and turned them into benches, and they've got a proper little fire down there. Done properly, of course, surrounded by stones so it can't spread. Good on them, I say. Teach kids that there's more to life than video games. I'm going to call my ass in a minute. Don't know what I'm laughing for. He's very muddy and very wet. Oh, a tree fell down. If a tree falls in the wood, then there's nobody there. Yeah, if a tree falls in the woods and there's nobody there, does it make a sound? Comments? Down below. Make a change to have some comments. This is what we're up to. And the reason I came out. Walking doggies in the butt. Nearly fell on my ass again. We'll bypass that bit. Oh dear. Put my glasses on. How much space have I got on this camera? Rolling out a lot. 47 minutes. Why is it telling me that then? We have 47 minutes, doggy. Keep going. Oh, we spotted a squirrel again down there. We're not going down there. Because you go all the way down that track. All the way down centre is just mud. Come on, doggy. This is Xena, this one. This is not Missy. Oh, yeah, sure. How the hell do we get across there, doggy? Right. Can be interesting. Camera goes sliding. You know I've gone on my ass. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Fuck. Yeah. Jumping across there at my age. What's she looking at now? Yeah, there's another track down there as well. That one's even worse. Plus the fact you've got to go down that banking to get at it. And when you go over the edge, it's about a 50-foot drop. We're not doing that, we go up here. All good fun, isn't it? Where are we going, doggy? We've actually come from down there somewhere. Hang on, and back up here. Woo-wee. At least it stopped raining. And that we're walking into the blue sky. Squirrels up there. Squirrels, 4 of them. Spot the squirrel. Yeah. Open and panting again. And again. That's a lot steeper than what it looks. We've been here before. Weather was a lot better then. Because you could sit on the bench. Not to be recommended now, it's a bit wet. View's a bit better though. You can see through the trees. Sun's disappearing over there. I suppose we better make our way back. Hey, Nicky Duggy, we go find some more squirrels. Hey. Trying to walk a bit of the fat off the dog. Yeah, popping in the panty now. Not the easiest of walks. At least we're on the level now. Right, we will make our way back, wherever that may be. See you later.